Kanban, and this is just a video, and it's an unboxing video. Um, it's not for figures. It's for accessories. I bought it all for $12. Yeah, I bought it all for $12. It's a pretty big package. And don't ask who it is because she doesn't have a YouTube account. Yeah, so don't ask. It's a pretty big package. Yeah, pretty huge package. Oh my god! Yeah, so it's a huge package, and I'm gonna try my best not to show my address. Cat? Ah! Okay. Okay, got it open. Okay. Right. Things that might be in this box. Chairs, entrance accessories, entrance way ramp, Titantron, Circletron, slingers, Flamular Titantron, LED boards, Curvetron, speakers, making stage bars, barricades, sidewalks, circle Titantron, HD monitors, and etc. Da da da! And it's a news. So let's see. What? Hi. I know that you love John Morrison, and I know that you're probably his biggest fan, but everyone, sorry, I know that you love John Morrison, so you're gonna probably love this package. Yeah. Okay. So let's check it out. Oh my god. This fully dandy thing. Cool. The collectors are not nice. Trish Stratus, Stephanie McMahon, Rey Mysterio, John Morrison. Oh, I love this John Morrison. Has his leather coat and everything. John Morrison again. Edge, Mick Foley, The Big Show. Okay, all this stuff is amazing. And I only paid $12 for all this stuff. Okay, ECW Circle Time, I'm guessing. Oh, okay. This is like billboard or whatever. What I call it? This is pretty cool. Pretty cool how she made it with 2 cups and then 6. Pretty cool. Yeah, I'll stand up with it. And then see? I Quit Match LED board. Half rubber table, I'm guessing, right? Oh, this is what she means by like ladies, and you put them in there and they shoot out. Like the horse, I guess. Barricade. Oh, there's a lot of barricades in here. Okay, this is amazing. This is amazing. The rampway. This is awesome. And I know this rampway itself is really, really rare, so thank you for that. Oh, this is cool. She's gonna put my company name on her WW landing. And there is a lot of barricades. barricades. More barricades! Ah! Some more barricades. Any more barricades? Barricade. Choose a motorcycle. Here's another flingy thing. Let's put them in. A speaker. Yeah, the light in my room isn't the best, so yeah. Survivor Series. Some fabric. I asked for this to make clothes for my figures. An LED board. This W and this pretty cool cardboard. Says "aw" on the back. And then a ladder. Have some Jack's ladder, I'm guessing. Part of the cage. Survivor Series logo. This is a huge package. ECW Titantron Extreme Championship Wrestling with LED board. Stage lighting rig. Another circle Titantron. Robes. These are pretty cool. Got robes for them. Stage curtain that they go through. Something like that. A shirt for the figures. WWF era lights. Some more barricades. A cage door. Lighting barricade again. Another lighting barricade, or a light ring. The sidewalk. This is from the WWF era. This is cool. You smash their head through it, and it looks like their head is coming up. Table. And Alberto Del Rio's head. The WWF logo, or WWE logo. Evan Bourne's head. WWF logo. John Morrison logo. I love John Morrison. Lighting rig. Another piece of the barricade. Trash can lid. Half of the table. Half of the ladder. Stand. More. Guessing that's like an LED board. Laying at the back or something. And I don't know. Mattel makes really terrible belts. They make sucky belts. Like, who wants a belt like this? It says Mattel WWE. Stage door. Cage door. Another piece of the barricade stand. Elbow or kneecap thing. And I think she made this. Stage set, entrance set. Backstage. I don't need this because I already have one. And then that. So, I hope you like my huge unboxing video. And I hope you comment, rate, subscribe. I'll see you later. Bye.